So here we are. Let's start with this one. Let's take a quick overview. What is going on CoinMarketCap? Let's check. We have today 16,898 coins. Yes, every day new coins here in the market, 16,898. What an amazing big picture of coins here. Bitcoin is going down. The most coins are going down. Look at this. Ethereum is going down more as Bitcoin. The Binance coin is going down more as Ethereum. Cardano ADA is in the plus. A nice little pump to the upside. ADA Cardano 4.4%. Let me refresh this picture because I think it's not really. Yes, sorry guys. Let's start again. CoinMarketCap. Bitcoin is going down, Ethereum is going down more as Bitcoin. We can see the Binance coin is also going down and Ethereum, ADA Cardano is also going down. So if we are watching this picture, all coins are in the red here. If we are watching the altcoins, every coin here is in the red. Look at this, red. The Daiji coin, okay, red. Bitcoin Cash, okay, a little bit in the plus, but everything here is red. The most coins are going down really hard for the moment, and we are dumping for the moment. We can't watch what is the biggest winner or loser because we have a lot of pump and dump coins here for the moment in CoinMarketCap. So it's impossible to check what's going on with this one. So let's move on. Bitcoin dominance is growing, guys. 39.9%. Yesterday we saw here 39.3 or something about this. And the Ethereum dominance is going down more and more. For the moment, 18.9%. Yesterday we saw 19.3%. So let's move on. What is telling us here Bitcoin, the price, if you're watching the market cap? And we can see here, yes, we saw here since some days here a dump on the market cap, Bitcoin against altcoins. Here we are starting with January the 10th. We are going down and down and down. We lost the ribbon band. We lost the support. And here on the point on the downside, we started with a new fresh pump. That doesn't mean that the Bitcoin price is going up. It does mean that Bitcoin against the altcoins is growing. And that means, guys, it's better in the moment to trade Bitcoin as the altcoins. And you can see we are going up here a little bit. We saw here a little fight with the ribbon band. We won the fight and now we're going up a little bit more. Here is now the big next thing. Here is the EMA 200, 40.35%. And that's the next big fight here for the dominance. So what do we have in the market? We have, let me refresh, extreme fear was yesterday, extreme fear is now. We have 24 points of extreme fear in the market. TradingView is telling us on 30 minutes, let's refresh and let's go. We should sell our Bitcoin. That's the day. We should sell our Bitcoin. The 4-hour strong sell your Bitcoin. 2-hour strong sell your Bitcoin. Sell 1 hour, 30 minutes sell. Everything is telling us we should sell our Bitcoin. Not a financial advice, guys. This is TradingView here. So let's move on. The next point. The MVRV Z-score is showing us we are undervalued. You can see it here on the downside. Okay, it's not so important, but we know it. We are undervalued. And if you're asking me, Biti, what's the temperature of Bitcoin? I can tell you it's really cold. 1.28 degree. Really cold Bitcoin. It's winter and we need a next summer. For the moment, nothing is telling us that we are going up to the upside. Attention. Detroit Techno 89, never sell. Yes, you are right. Hodl Bitcoin until to the end. It doesn't matter if the end is on 1 million or Angry Higgins at minus 8,000. It doesn't matter. Hodl your Bitcoin. Yes, you're right. Here is investing.com. What is telling us investing.com? Let's check this also. And we are watching here the candlestick patterns. And we can see nothing for the moment because that's not the important stuff. Let me check what's going on. Bitcoin candlestick patterns. Here we are. So here we are. The sell was on 66,000. Yes, this was the highest point, and here was the perfect sell position. Yes, you're right, Higgy. So what's going on the week? Close this picture. Nothing here. We can see no pattern, no bullish one, no bearish one. Let's check the day. And on the day, we also can see no pattern. Let's check the 5-hour. No pattern. Let's check the 1 hour. No pattern. So we have no patterns, no actual patterns here. You can see it not on the 1 hour, not on the 5 hour, not on the day. We have no pattern here to watch. Let's close it and let's check the next thing. What is going on with our Bitcoin price prediction? The price prediction from CoinCodex is telling us, let's go down more and more. Let's go down to 38,000 until the next 7 days. This is telling us the price prediction. We have extreme fear in the market. The sentiment is bearish. Everything is bearish. Everyone and everything is telling us throw away your Bitcoin. But no, guys, no. Don't sell and don't throw away. I hope you sold on 66,000. And the big question is, should we go in again? That's the next big question. Bullish 19%, bearish 81%. Most things are telling us sell, sell, sell. Important support points to the downside, 41,400, 40,700 and 39,900. Biggest support with the most strengths here, 39,900. Resistances to the upside, for the moment not so important because we're going down, but let's watch 43,000, 43,800 and 44,500, the biggest strengths to the downside. So what's going on? Everything is red. Everything is telling us we are going down until January the 25th, minus about 8%, and we will see a price about 38,000. And what's going on next? And if we are going until February, let's check. Here is telling us the price prediction. We may go up with a little luck to 46,000 again. And after this, we will go sideways a little bit until February the 7th with 45,900, 46,000. So this is telling us CoinCodex with the price prediction. Now let's move on. This is the daily time frame for Bitcoin. And this was my last picture from yesterday. We are going down to 10,000 US dollar, 10,300. Then we will buy again. Then we will go down to minus 8,000. Then we will lose everything again. And then we will go home and cry. That's the big picture. No, guys, that's a little joke. It's not so big, horrible movie what I'm telling you here. But guys, I showed you this yesterday. Attention, keep everything in your mind. If you are trading since July 2021, if you started here and you saw from 30,000 to 60,000 to 70,000, it's going up. Yes, all in. Remember, guys, it's always a point. That's a really big thing. Keep this in your mind. We can go down. We can always go down. I'm not telling you we are going to zero. I'm not telling you we are going to minus 8,000 aggregations. But it's always a thing. Keep this in your mind. It's always possible to go down more and more. Why not? Why not to go down to 10,000? Why not? Everything is possible. I know a lot of institutions are in. A lot of big companies piled it in. But guys, if they are selling not millions, if they are selling billions, we may go down here. It doesn't matter if here is a support or not. Everything is possible, and keep this in your mind. Use stop losses, guys, if you're trading. So you are out of the trade for the moment. You can wait a little bit. You can think, okay, I'm making a next little long position here. I'm making a stop loss under this. I can't lose too much money. It doesn't matter for me, is it going down to 10,000 or not? It's not a big thing because for us traders, it's not important is the price 10,000 or is the price 100,000. It's not important if I miss a big pump to the upside. It's not important. Angry Higgins, if you want to see Biti in full screen, oh yes, thank you, Angry Higgins. This is the link. This is now in the live stream. This is the link for my real big live screen. If you would like to see this in full HD, in 4K, in 8K, in 16K, in 32K, you can use this link from Angry Higgins and you will see my live stream and my nice face in a better quality, in a big full screen. You are then in my real big live screen on YouTube. Thank you, Angry Higgins. So, okay. That's one thing. Why 10,000? Why 10,000? I can show you. First of all, attention. We have here maybe an M pattern on the big daily time frame. And remember, attention, we are having here maybe a shoulder, head, shoulder. So these two pictures are really bad, horrible pictures. I know it, guys. These are really bad patterns. And we can see this line here is a really easy point. We can draw the line from the highest point to the trend line. And we can use it as a technical target to the downside. And if you're breaking down, we have here a target about 10,300, the same target as the M pattern. And this is frightening me. That's all, guys. I'm not telling you we're going down to 10,000, but I am really nervous about this. And my big thing is to show you guys, if we are going down here, be prepared, make a short position, make millions with shorting Bitcoin. And remember, guys, Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, is never shorting Bitcoin because I think it's a world-changing system, but that's not the big stuff. So that's the daily time frame. Now let's go in a little bit more. and check the 15-minute. The 15-minute time frame is now also really important. I can show you here this nice picture. What can we see? We are going, and that's the big thing for the moment, down again, maybe to our big support to the downside. The big support on the downside is about 40,000. You can see it. And this is a really ultra big support. We can make here a parallel channel to the upside. We can make it like this one. And you can see we are going down for the moment in a parallel channel. So guys, the trend is our friend. And you can see, yes, we are in a little parallel channel to the downside. Remember guys, we are in a big downtrend, and we are also in this big downtrend, in a little downtrend for the moment. If we are zooming in more and more, what can we see? We are binding lower lows. That's a next big thing. Here was one, and here we are going down again. Here's the next one. That's the next big thing. Lower highs, lower lows. We are going down. That's not good. That's not nice. For the moment, we can make a line here to this point. That's our support. And for the moment, we can make also a line here. That's our resistance. So you can see we are fighting more for the moment in a falling wedge here. And the big question is, can we break out again or not? We can use this pattern, guys, to make the next trade. So if we can break out here over this point, this would be a nice trade for a long position maybe. And the next big thing is, if we will lose this line to the upside, to the downside, this would be maybe a next short position. So watch these targets, watch what's going on. And that's only a little drawing here. That's really easy stuff. What is watching to the next point, guys? Or what's the next big thing? We started our retracement here in this point. We can use this Fibonacci retracement. And now if we are zooming in a little bit more, what can we see? We can see we are here for the moment. And why are we here fighting so hard? We can see it here, guys, because we are fighting here on the Fibonacci line. The Fibonacci line 0.236 is our big support now, and we need to hold it. We need to hold the big support 41,300. If you're watching the Fibonacci lines, this is really important. It's a hard fight for them. And we can see why. So we hear a big fight on this place here and here. We lost it. Here we retested here, because this is the next Fibonacci. This is the next Fibonacci, the 0.382. I love the Fibonaccis because they are really important, and all traders or the most traders are watching at these levels. And if you are if you can see here, we are going up again, the next fight down. If you're going up again and we lose it, it's maybe a next short position, a short position to the next Fibonacci, and it was a perfect short to the downside, guys. Now we are hitting here this support again. This was the next buy in position 41,300. The big question is now, can we go up more and more? Yes or no? And we can watch this one here. It's the 50-minute time frame. Now it's a little bit dangerous to trade, but if you are trading these short time frames, it's a really nice thriller movie to trade this one, because the big question is now, in the 50-minute time frame, are we building higher highs? Yes or no? For the moment, we are building lower highs. You can see it. Here was one. Here's the next one. That's not good. In my opinion, if you are in a trade here, you can watch this point here. This was the lowest point here, and I would set, if you set a buy in position here, I would set here a stop loss, because if you're going down here more and more to a lower low, I would get out of the trade. So you can make a little nice pump to the upside trade, and everything is okay. Everything is top. So that's the 15-minute time frame. Let me show you in the 15-minute time frame really fast RSI Relative Strength Index. Where it is. It's not here. Yes. I need a little bit time. What can we see? We saw here the big resistance, and it was a perfect hit to the upside. It's working so nice. We saw here was a big resistance. What happened? We went down on the resistance. We could not beat the resistance, and we're going down again. On the downside, we also can make a line, and you can see this is working so nice, guys. We can make a line from the downside to the upside, and this is a big support line. And now, yes, you can see we're going down again, maybe more and more, or we can break out here to the upside. This would be also maybe a next nice little long position to the upside. That's the 50-minute time frame. Let's check the 1 hour also. So what's going on the 1 hour time frame? First of all, resistance. If you're watching here, this point, we have a lot of space to the upside, and support is this one on the 1 hour time frame. and you can use this also really nice as a trading point. If we will reach here, maybe the RSI on the upside, attention, next nice long position, and so on and so on. It's easy stuff, guys. What I would like to show you here is the ribbon band. Let's check this one. EMA ribbon. So here we are. Let's zoom in a little bit, and here are our big problems. Here is the ribbon band. Here is the ribbon band as resistance. What can we see with the fight? We lost the ribbon band here completely. We went down. Here was the fight with our Fibonacci. We lost the fight. We lost the ribbon band. Now we have a big resistance. First of all, ribbon band on the 1 hour time frame, and yes, of course, Fibonacci also a big resistance. So if you would like to trade this, guys, we need to fight back ribbon band. We need fight to back here our Fibonacci, and we need fight back here this EMA 200. Angry Gains looks bullish. Divergence on 50-minute RSI. Yes, let me check it. Nice, Higgy. Nice, thanks. Let me check it. Let's go back to the 50-minute time frame. Yes, that's working really nice here on my slow internet. The bullish divergence. Let me check. Let's remove all here. Remove drawings. Iggy, I can see a bullish divergence because the RSI is going down and the price is going down. Where do you see a bullish divergence? I can see we are going down here with the RSI. I can see we are going down also with the price. That's no bullish divergence. If you see a bullish divergence, please send a chart picture. Write it on the chart picture, Angry Higgins. If you would like to make this would be really nice, and show me where you see here a bullish divergence, because I can't see here bullish divergence for the moment. Okay, now let me show you 4-hour time frame, also really important, because the 4-hour time frame is showing us we are going down here and we are maybe soon oversold. That's a sign for a next pump maybe. And guys, watch this 4-hour time frame. We have also the RSI support line. Not so much space to the downside. Maybe we're going down a little bit more, and we can use this RSI for a next pump to the upside. This would be a really nice sign maybe. All in all, I'm not so ultra bullish. I know some YouTubers, some professors, YouTube professors are bullish for the moment, but for me, it's not so ultra bullish. Yes, we made a double bottom for the moment. You can see it here, this spike and this spike. We are on a really big support, yes, of course. But if this support will break, remember my first picture I showed you. Remember this inverse shoulder, head, shoulder, guys. And if this will play out, we have really bad cards here. Shoulder, head, shoulder. It's not a really nice Biti Da Vinci drawing, but it's not an NFT, guys. But if this will play out to the downside, you know the target 10,000, and we need to watch it, guys. Before we end this little update for Bitcoin, this really fast update for the day, I would like to show you this one also. You know it, guys. I love my big support line. I love it. For the moment, it's holding, and I'm hoping, I'm praying that this one will hold here. This is the really long time support to the upside, and this is one of the things why I hope maybe this shoulder, head, shoulder will not break out to the downside. I hope we can use this trend line as a nice jump to the upside, and I hope here, this was a bad spike, it was a nice buy position, and I hope now the retest of this one, and now and in the next few days maybe for a next jump to the upside here. This would be perfect. But if we will lose this line, and if we will lose this line, 10,000, yes, we will come. No, I know, guys, there are 30,000. There are a lot of levers here in the next thing here, 30,000, 29,000, and so on and so on. But keep this in your mind, guys. It's never a big thing if you are going in and you keep in your mind, oh, okay, it can go down to 10,000, maybe not all in. Guys, never, really never go all in. That's a really big thing. If you're going all in, stop loss. Always use a stop loss, please. Guys, I know, and something, I know, guys, there are a lot of stop loss hunters out there. The market is hunting you, and that's a big thing. I know it. But remember, if we are going down like this one, we are in a downtrend. So I told you this yesterday also. If we are going down in a downtrend and you're trading this downtrend, and you are trading a long position to the upside, or you're buying Bitcoin for a long position to the upside, you have to set a stop loss under this, because remember, the trend is your friend. If you're going down with the trend, you have to set stop losses. If we are in an uptrend and you are trading an uptrend like this one, and we have a nice parallel channel to the upside, guys, it's not so a big problem not to set a stop loss position, because the trend is your friend. We're going up. Remember, if you are going down and you are shorting, it's not so a big problem to set maybe not a stop loss position. Always trade in the trend and not against the trend. That's really, really important, guys. And always take profit. If you are making a nice trade, take profit, because it's really hard to lose this once again. It's really hard, guys. Take profit. Remember, take a little bit profit. It's better to take a little profit as you're losing all of your trade. So that's it. Rudy, you hop? Everyone does that. What do you mean with hop, Rudy? Please tell me, what do you mean with hop? So I will end this video now. This was the really fast update. Now I will start with NFT. I will start with German NFT. That's my first try. Give me a second to drink something, and then I will start NFT, and I hope we can make it together, guys. I hope it. So guys, let's take me a breath, and I will start soon. Bye-bye.